checking out. I've been here when it was called Poy Thai. Now it's changed owners. It's now called Poy Thai. And that is what happened during the pandemic. They were shut down. They opened up under another family, another owner. And we're going to see if it's any good still. This is where I get my pho. I love pho. So we got, now just like in a Mexican restaurant, the only way you can tell that it's a good Thai, one of the quickest ways, is to try the pad Thai. So we're definitely ordering pad Thai. But of course we're ordering other things too, so it don't matter if it's good or bad, we'll know once we're done with the meal. Prices are very reasonable. They got tons of appetizers. I love crab ragoons. Dude, gyoza's good. Spring rolls are good. Okay. Edamame with garlic sauce. Yummy. Okay, love pictures on my menu. Love. Don't know what that is, but I love it. Alright, and then there's soup. I think I'm gonna push for some, it's tom kai, isn't it, honey? Tom kai? The coconut soup? I think so. Salmon salad, there's your salads. Here's your fried rices. And then here is your curry. And I just learned about beef curry with green, it's a green curry, I think. Yeah, green curry. Basil, bamboo, bell peppers, eggplant with green creamy coconut milk. Enjoy soup. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting that green curry with some beef. That's amazing. And then you got special rolls. These are a little bit up a notch from what I'm used to. You got noodles. Thank you, honey. And there's pad Thai right there. Ta-da. Go down there and you got more pictures. More goodness. Teriyaki. Noodle soup. Pause the video if you want to see anything. Okay, here's your specials. Okay, so some things are a little bit higher than I'm used to, but it looks amazing. So we're gonna try a little bit of everything, do kind of a family style. I think that's it right there. That's the green curry. It was chicken, but I'm getting mine with beef. And side orders. And then stir fried.
Thank you.
Do they still have pho here?
Oh, I don't need straw.
It's all delicious looking. All right, guys. I've had these rolls before. They're really good, but I mean, if I served this up, I would allow people to choose. I would have paid a little extra for 4 so that everybody at the table could have one. But
the kids are gonna eat them.
yeah, we're gonna give these to the kids. They're gonna enjoy that. And then we got the crab ragoons, and those look beautiful. They just came out within minutes. So, anyway, and I think they got the sweet peanut sauce too. Looks like they got a little heat in there too, some red pepper stuff, possibly. All right, so the kids ordered. These are dumplings, guys. There's dumplings there, and then there's, I think that's gyoza they call it. That's enjoyable. We've had that at Sushi Train. That's always good. All right, now this is tom kha, right? I think that's what they said. But anyway, I learned to love this a few years ago. If I remember correctly, it's a coconut kind of base soup, and then this is a brand new love of mine. This is the green curry with beef. I had this probably 2 months ago, probably a month or 2 ago, and I was blown away. I'm not a curry fan, but I am now after that dish right there.
I'll use a spoon.
Okay, so what did you, I couldn't hear you. What did you say? I said I was a curry fan?
Yeah, I said I'm more of a LeBron fan.
Oh, you're more of a LeBron
yeah,
fan?
19 years of consistency should just like speak for itself. So.
Sorry, dude. Jordan's a goat.
Yeah, Jordan's for whatever. We'll get in that whole talk later.
Okay, you're trying the green curry with the beef. Be careful. Is that amazing?
It's really smooth. Let me get some meat.
It is totally, guys, you have no idea how great that is. I think I could just sit here and film. I don't need to eat. Just film people trying it.
It's like smooth and sweet.
It's interesting, isn't it? Okay, and then you're doing the tom kha. Have you ever had it before?
Get the mushroom.
Yeah, be sure to get a mushroom in there. take whatever is in there. There's shrimp in there, take it. Whatever they put in there. But that's a really good
You better boil
flavor.
that for like 5 seconds.
Yeah, don't burn your lips.
It's very sweet. Not really good.
Is it good? Here we go. This is the pad thai. This is usually where you start to see if a restaurant's good. If you get that kind of like as an appetizer or something. Try it out. If it's good, everything's good. And I've already had almost everything in this restaurant, and it's really good. But over here, this is what we love so much, the pho. So that's boiling hot broth, so you don't eat it right away. And you get all these sides, like cilantro and sprouts and limes, and you just drop them in, and everything just cooks.
We get the hoisin sauce.
If you've never had this before, you want some hoisin sauce, you want some red rooster sauce. I'm telling you guys, you'll be addicted. Every rainy day, you'll want a bowl of this. Okay, this is how you put the hoisin sauce in. There you go. And then, grab a little red rooster, drop that in, and that is what makes the broth magical. Absolutely a blessing. That heat will open you up if you got like sinus issues and your allergies are all messed up. That'll open you up. And look how golden brown the broth gets. Guys, I could just eat that. It's amazing. But I'm going to sample this real quick. If the noodles are glazy, sweet goodness, then the pad thai is perfect. That's it. Okay. Yeah, it's good. It's great. All right, guys. So I have to say, we ordered family style. We ordered a little bit of everything, and I'm so in love with the green curry. It's so good. Everything's good here, just like I remember it from the old owners. These are the new owners. I promise you, nothing's changed. If anything, it's gotten just a little bit better.